Hello, teacher Gary, and Merry Christmas. Uh, Today I will do a speaking project, and for the topic that you give for us is 4 topic, and the topic that I showed is topic 4 is about friendship. For the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Govindhira Lakilan. My nickname is Da. I'm from Mathayom 5/2, number 11. So let's discuss about it. For the first question is like, how important is friendship to you? For me, friendship is very important because we cannot do anything by yourself. You need to have someone or some friend advises you and always beside you, always solve some trouble that you confront and help you. I can say that in the world, no one wants to be alone. And when you study in the school or university, you need to meet many people, and you can find your friend in school. And when you intimate with them, you will call them as a close friend. For me, friend is not just like you know your his or her name, and so you can say as a friend. But for the word friend, you need to know their personality. What are they like or don't like? And can talk with them about anything. And the second question is, do you have a friend who live in other country? Yes, I have a friend who live in other country because I am a half of Thai Vietnamese, so I will go to visit my grandparent once a year in the summer, and I will have a friend that live near my grandparents' house. My friend and I have the same age. I can speak Vietnam a little bit, so we communicate by this language. And if I don't know some sentence or some word, I will act and action to them to understand me. For me, when you have a friend that live in other country, it's a good thing because you can know what are they thinking. Are they thinking like teenager that live in Thailand, and what are they doing in some free time? Are they doing like teenager that live in Thailand? And I can learn for some different culture. For the third question is about what quality do you look for in friend? I look for friend who understand me when I have a problem that I cannot tell anyone. For the first, when I have a problem, I will look for my friend to. I will explain to my friend that what I should do, what I shouldn't do for this problem. And the second quality that I look for friend is friend who be honest, because I don't like when someone lie to me. So if my friend and I don't understand each other, I will ask them up lightly, and I want them to answer me in the state. And the last one, I want my friend who can trust for any story and can make me believe what are they saying. And the last question is, what kind of thing do you like when you get together with your friend? When I'm with my friend after school, I always go to small cafe that live near the school to get some drink and some cake, eat some cake with them. I love that time because I like when we live together and we talk the story together, tell the joke that we laugh, and we like to do a homework together for some homework that we cannot finish. I think when we do together, we can finish it quickly because we can share our opinion that we don't have the same opinion. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.